New at 5:30, some good news for anyone who enjoys Rhode Island's beaches.
Well, the state is getting more federal funding to monitor beach water and keep everyone aware of water quality changes. We have more now from Pete Mangione.
Monitoring water quality at Rhode Island beaches like this takes time, resources, and money. A new grant will help out with that process. On a beautiful day at Second Beach in Middletown, the water looks great, but sometimes there are things in the water that we cannot see just by looking.
We have pipes under the ground, we have urban runoff, we have wildlife, right? Unfortunately, wildlife poops.
The EPA's Deb Cesaro, as well as other Rhode Island leaders and officials, gathered Friday to talk water quality and money. Specifically, the EPA announced a $200,000 grant to the Ocean State for monitoring disease-causing bacteria in the water. Cesaro says it's especially important to take samples in shallow water, as shown in this demonstration.
You know, right after we get into the water, to make sure that children are safe, because they're the ones that are probably ingesting most of the water, right, when you're at the beach.
Sometimes you will hear of beaches closing just after rainstorms because storm runoff can drag in pollutants from streets, parking lots, and other areas that contain trash and urban waste. That's why communication to beachgoers will be just as important as the water testing.
If we do detect anything at the Rhode Island Department of Health, they'll put up public notification so people know not to go in the water if there is some bacterial contamination.
Senator Jack Reed, who helped secure the grant, thinks the water testing might not be as rigorous if the federal money was not available.
And that they wouldn't have the data collection and some of the most sophisticated techniques that they can use because there's a significant federal contribution to their efforts.
And that grant money goes into effect starting now. I'm meteorologist Pete Mangione, Eyewitness News.